Hi guys! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to be making fish roll. So as you can see, these are my ingredients we are going to use to prepare delicious fish roll, guys. So as you can see, this one is sugar. This one I have 4 eggs here. This is my breading pan. I will be using 3 pans. And this is my salt. I'm going to put a little, and I have 3 butter. Well, I'm going to be using 7 kilo of flour. Okay, guys. So this is my atum. So sardine in Spanish we are going to be using this sardine. In Spanish we call it atum. So I'm going to be using this. Okay, and I have my oil leche, which is milk. So this is my groundnut oil. Okay, guys. So without wasting much time, guys, we are going to start one after the other, guys. So, and I want to use this video to wish my lovers, my friends, my family. I want to thank you guys for watching my video, for liking my video. God bless you all. And if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by subscribing, like, and share. Okay? God bless you, my returning subscriber. God bless you all. Thank you. God bless you. So we are going to start now because we are going to making like 70 fish roll we are going to be making now. So because a friend of mine will be doing Thanksgiving for church tomorrow, which is Sunday. So I'm going to planning to make 70 fish roll for her. So I'm going to be doing it now. That's why we can see I have 7 kilo of flour. Okay, guys. And this one is 5 kilo. This one is 1 kilo. So making is 7 kilo. So these are the ingredients that you can look it. If you want to know how to make a fish roll, so you can go to Purity Chart. Go to Purity Chart and you will see it there live and direct. How to make fish roll, how to make egg roll, how to make a meat pie, how to make a pop, how to make buns. But today, what we have been doing here now today is we are going to make fish roll, guys. Okay, so let's dip in and start. So the first thing we are going to start with flour. Okay, guys. So as you can see, this is my bowl. So you can also see me in Nelly Baby Chaz Family TV, guys. Nelly Baby Chaz Family TV is also my YouTube channel. So I upload the 2 channels, but the most special one I upload now is Purity Chaz. Okay, guys, you can find me one of these YouTube Purity Chaz and Nelly Baby Chaz Family TV, guys. Okay, thank you. As we start, so I'm going to use 6 first. 1 kilo of sugar. Cup of water, 2 cup of water and milk. So as you can see, I'm mixing it. So as you can see, so guys, as you can see, I am done in mixing. So what I will do, I'm going to cover it with my kitchen towel and leave it for 30 minutes or 25 minutes. Okay, so when I come back, I'm going to start rolling it, and after that start frying it. Okay guys, stay tuned, we are back again. We will be back. Okay guys, so guys, you can see this is the other one. You can see, you just rub it in your table. You have to pull it in your table so that this is my rolling stick. So you just roll it like this. pot now. So, and I will start rolling it. So guys, as you can see, this is my fish straw. You can see it. So I still have more to this one. I want to bring another tray so that we'll be putting the rest one on it. Okay guys, so stay tuned. So and after this we will now start to fry it. Okay guys. So guys, you can see, so my pot is already in the fire guys. So I'm going to be putting my oil in the pot guys. So you can see. So this is how far we have gone. Okay guys, so I still have more to do. Okay guys, so let's keep on doing it. Okay, so guys, so this is my fish roll. This is my fish roll guys. So as you can see, I will be removing it. This is first batch. Okay guys. See how beautiful it is guys. So wow, see how beautiful it is. Oh my god. So guys, so this is the second batch. We'll be removing it now. As you can see the second batch guys. Have much to fry. Okay guys, so guys, as you can see, this is the one I have fried. I still have more in the fire. Okay guys, so this is the end. I'm going to end the video for now because I don't want this video to long that much. Okay guys, I still have much to fry and it is very many. Okay guys, and I still have the one that I have not yet fried. Okay, so keep watching. Subscribe and like and share so that anytime I upload any video you will see it guys. Thank you and God bless you. One love, keep us together. Bye. Ciao.
Put it. You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press and to subscribe.